Genuine compliments that resonate have exponential potential because of how it has the opportunity to brighten the mood of the ones who give the compliment and the ones who receive it. When those involved benefit from it, the subsequent interactions they have on their environment and other people can be positively impacted as well. And this can repeat like a butterfly effect. The intentional decision to make a genuine compliment can lead to an overall positive impact that is hard to really calculate. The next time you interact with someone you care about, let them know something that you truly appreciate about them. Bonus points if you ask them to pass it forward. You might be surprised at how quickly and significantly it can improve their mood, your own mood, and the mood of people around you.